on reactive maintenance, which involves fixing problems after they occur, manufacturers can proactively address potential issues, ensuring that equipment is always running at peak performance. This proactive approach not only reduces downtime, but also extends the lifespan of equipment, lowering overall maintenance costs. The benefits of AI-driven predictive maintenance extend beyond cost savings. It also improves safety by preventing equipment failures that could lead to accidents. By identifying potential hazards before they occur, manufacturers can create a safer working environment for their employees. This proactive approach to safety further enhances the efficiency and reliability of manufacturing operations.
Section 4. The Eye of Precision, AI in Quality Control. AI is revolutionizing quality control in manufacturing, enabling more accurate and efficient defect detection. Computer vision and machine learning algorithms are being used to inspect products for defects that may be difficult or impossible for human inspectors to detect. This automated quality control process ensures that products meet the highest quality standards, reducing waste and improving customer satisfaction. Computer vision systems use cameras and image processing algorithms to analyze images of products, identifying defects such as scratches, dents, and other imperfections. These systems can detect even the smallest flaws with remarkable accuracy, ensuring that only high-quality products reach the market. This level of precision is often difficult for human inspectors to achieve, especially in high-volume production environments. Machine learning algorithms further enhance the accuracy of quality control by learning from data. By analyzing images of both defective and non-defective products, the algorithms can improve their ability to identify defects over time. This continuous learning process leads to more accurate and reliable quality control, reducing the likelihood of defective products reaching consumers. The benefits of AI-driven quality control are numerous. It leads to improved product quality, reduced waste, and increased customer satisfaction. By detecting defects early in the production process, manufacturers can avoid costly rework or scrap. This not only saves money, but also reduces the environmental impact of manufacturing by minimizing waste.
Section 5. Streamlining the flow, AI in supply chain optimization.